Dressed like that. I'm going to a party, Daddy. This is what they wear when they go to parties. Please, no man. You're going where? No daughter of mine going anywhere dressed like that. You must be kidding. Daddy, upstairs right now and change. Don't even talk again, you know. I am going nowhere. What you supposed to wear? You can't expect me to go there dressed like an Eskimo, Daddy. This is more than covered. Trust me, you should see what the other girls will be wearing. And I go dress so. Come no man, Daddy. I mean, I don't mind if I already am fix up myself and I want to come cheer. What Daddy me at this time, yeah? Either you're going upstairs and changing, or you're going nowhere at all. Unfair, no. You think I'm joking? What type of father I'd be if I send you dressed like that? Going to which party? Hey, you see the time? It's running out.
One eternity later.
Alright. Now you're looking good, man. I can't believe you're actually making me go out looking like this. Oh, I almost forgot. Yes, now, my daughter. Daddy, you can't be serious. Yeah, this is how my daughter's supposed to look. Like, you can't be serious. You can't expect me to go to the party looking like this. You're absolutely insane if you think I can go anywhere looking like this. Can I please go? But you're already too late. Party done. It's just 11 o'clock. This is when the party starts. The party for you done. Please. Party was 8 to 10. It's now 11. You see this clock? It even have that time on it. You're not going nowhere. You make me just go through all of this for nothing. Go on upstairs back, but you're going party. Coming home house and nobody asked me what time I used to go party and those things. I was a grown man, I live on my own. This is not fair, Daddy. I want to leave my house this time and we're not even a contract. You better leave on your own. I'm going to move out. Good night.